So today our topic is relation and function. And actually we know sets. You know sets A like one, 2, 3. And you know set B A, B, C, D. So what do you mean by relation and function? So relation, like in practical life, that a person is having relation some other person. Huh? So at least, or you can say, you need to define two sets, or in special case, like one set is also will work like A to a relation, huh? Or you can say A to B, a relation. So sets are required to describe the relation, and a special type of relation is function. You just keep in mind, a special type of relation is function. So here, relation can be any connection or association. Huh? Relation means what? Association. Association, and from set A to set B, and this will be called like X or Y, and this X or Y denotes a relation between X and Y. So X and Y are the elements. Huh? So X is the element of set A and Y is the element of the set B, like that. So there is a relation between elements of the set A and set B, and that relation is called R. So there are three things. One is X. X belongs to A, and there is another thing Y, and this Y belongs to B, and there is R. This R is called relation. Like for example, if I say like set A, that 1, 2, 3, and set C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh. And now I need to define a relation. If I define X, R, Z, and that means uh, X is twice of Z. Okay, so this is R. So R will be 2 comma 1, because I have said X is twice of Z. So 1, and so is not twice of any number appeared in Z. So here we have to mention especially that X belongs to set A and Z belongs to set C. That much we are supposed to know. Huh. If I say X R2, or you can say Y, huh, and this R2 is a relation, huh, means uh, Y is twice of X. So here, if you describe a relation, then since the X is coming first, see this is ordered pair. Huh? So here you have to understand this ordered pair. So this is a set of ordered pairs. So relation is basically a set of ordered pair. So relation is set of ordered pairs, that you have to understand. And the first element from the set A, first element from the set A, that you have to define also, that X belongs to set A and Y belongs to set C. So then you can define like 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4 and 3 comma 6, like that. The relation is a set of ordered pairs, and ordered pairs like first element and the second element. So the first element, if you see from the set A, and the second element from the set C. So like that. And the Y is the twice of X. So there will be three elements in the set relation R2 and only one element in the relation R. So like that we define the relations. So I have told you the function. Huh? So what is function here? Function is a special type of relation where a function a to b means only one element, not only one element, each element of the set A is associated with only one element of the set B. Okay, thank you.